You know, they paint it with even bare wood, primer, right the way until it's completely finished. That's clever. So it goes from there all the way, and that's the finished product. Clever, isn't it? So yeah, so this tram here is from Prague. It's got Prague on the side of it. That there. It's Prague. So it's come from the Czech Republic. So I'm sure there's information board. We'll confirm it, and yes it does. Electric tramways of the Royal City of Prague. And I've seen trams like this in Prague. And it's done 13,040 miles at Christ. So they obviously use it. But yeah. So it's from Prague. So there you go. And another one from Sheffield.